my God. Oh, Frank, thank God, thank God. I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Frank, I'm sorry, I got lost. This town is so confusing. There's Connecticut, Vermont, Massachusetts. Man, what a day, what a day. My wife had to work early, so I took my kid to his new school. He won't stop crying. Says he wants to move back to Chicago. Broke my heart, Frank.
Any more excuses?
No.
Good. When you work with me, you be punctual. You got it?
Sorry, Frank. It won't happen again.
Come on.
Frank, how you doing?
Marty.
See you again.
Hey, Marty. Sorry we're late.
Al, could you go downstairs and help out Jimmy and Raul with me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Appreciate it.
This is his. Hey, guys.
Hey.
You don't trust me?
Well, I live in a crappy neighborhood. Got that funny money?
Right here.
Looks good. Looks real good. Oh, we're in business.
Excellent. There's just one problem, Frank.
Oh?
You know this guy, Al? He keeps asking me all these questions about my counterfeiter.
Really?
Yeah, he asks me too many questions. Now, my instinct usually tells me when there's something wrong. And there's something wrong here, so I had him followed. He's a fucking Secret Service agent, Frank. What do you think I ought to do here, Frank?
Make sure the body doesn't wash up on shore.
I want you to pop him for me, okay? See, I think maybe you're with him.
Look, you came to me, remember?
So pop him, show me I'm an asshole.
I'm just a businessman.
So pop him. And let's do some business. Yes, Frank. That's what I'm looking for. Come on, let's go get an omelet. You like omelets, Frank? I know a good place. We'll have chili and cheese. Come on.
Let me get my pistola here. My gun? You're under arrest. And you're under arrest, too. Secret Service.
I mean, you knew the gun was empty, right? I mean, you knew from the weight of the gun that the chamber was empty. Am I right?
Well, there could have been one bullet.
Oh, my God.
Hey, Frank.
Frank, you think maybe we can go someplace and talk about this? You killed guys before, Frank. It doesn't get to you.
It gets to you.
I don't know if I'm cut out for this undercover stuff. Man, I was so scared. You know, I joined the Secret Service because I always wanted to protect people.
The idea of throwing yourself in front of a gun, hoping like hell the bullet hits you instead of the guy you're protecting. You find that appealing?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just wrong for the job.
You're a good man, Al. You'll make a good agent.
How do you know? This is the longest conversation we ever had.
I know things about people. Come on, let's go get something to eat.
I want to go home, hug my wife and kid. You know, when I got into town, a lot of guys warned me you were a pain in the ass.
And they were right. I'll see you in the office.
Oh, damn, the office. Monroe wanted us to check out some wacko.
I'll take care of it.
I'll go with you.
No. You go home, hug your wife and kid.